Now, these raids on fish arcades are not the first in our area, and some of the prior investigations centered on the types of games these businesses have. So we wanted to fact check what we know about fish arcades and whether they are legal in North Carolina. So first, what games do these facilities offer? Well, there have been legal battles with arcade owners going to court to fight to stay open. In August, a ruling came down after arcade companies in Hickory and Conover challenged the cities in a case that made it to the state appeals court. A case brief describes one of the games called Ocean Fish King, where the player tries to shoot and destroy sea creatures. They place a wager first, then fire. If they hit a sea creature, the player gets a credit value. That brings us to our next question. Are these arcades legal? Well, to return to the legal challenge decided in August, the arcade companies argued Ocean Fish King was a game of skill, not gambling. So they say it wasn't breaking state law. A gaming engineer, however, analyzed the game and testified the number of shots or wagers to destroy each sea creature appeared to be random each time, and there was no way a player could develop their skills to improve the outcomes in the game. Now, even more insight comes from this video from 2022, where CMPD took us inside one of these arcades following a bust.
The community themselves, they may not be aware of the fact that these machines are able to be altered by the owners themselves. Other locations, take for instance out in Las Vegas, all those machines are regulated by the gaming board as far as payout amounts go. These machines here, they're not. The owners can determine whether or not they want to set payouts at 80% or 10%.
In the Hickory Conover case, the state appeals court ruled against the fish arcades, aligning with a 2022 North Carolina Supreme Court ruling saying these games are not skills-based, are considered electronic sweepstakes machines, and are thus illegal.